Hey everyone, this is Hannah with the Rocket Miner giving you another news update. I just want to start off with going over our COVID-19 numbers again for Wyoming and for Sweetwater County. So for Wyoming, today we are up to 35,113 confirmed cases of COVID-19. That is an increase of 230 since yesterday. Today we're at 2,289 active cases in Wyoming. Today also the Wyoming Department of Health reported 23 more deaths that are linked to the coronavirus. So that brings Wyoming's total to 351 deaths. You can see the story at rocketmine.com, of course, for the details about those deaths. Most of them were older adults, but as always, just a reminder that every one of those deaths represents a loved one of people who are our friends and neighbors throughout this state. And especially to lose people at this time of year, right before the holidays, is always especially difficult. So just a reminder that all of these statistics are people's lives, and that is something we need to keep in mind as we think about it. Here in Sweetwater County, today we've passed 2,500 confirmed cases for our county. We're a little bit over that. And as of today, we have 317 active cases in our county. This has gone up a little bit over the last couple of days. Also, the 15th COVID-related death in Sweetwater County was confirmed yesterday. Sweetwater County Public Health Director Kim Leinberger said that a Rock Springs man who was between the ages of 45 and 64 died during the week of December 6th through the 12th. The state reported that he was hospitalized in another state, and it is unclear whether or not he had health conditions that would put people more at risk related to COVID-19. So that was the 15th confirmed official death related to COVID of a Sweetwater County resident. Today we received another update on COVID-19 cases here locally in our county. We received a press release from Mission at Castle Rock Rehabilitation Center and the VIA, the assisted living facility in Green River. They confirmed that they do have both confirmed and suspected cases of COVID-19 within their facility right now. CEO Gary Kelso said that they can't divulge specific information about the individuals who have been confirmed or suspected of COVID-19, but he said that family members and representatives have all been notified of their loved one's condition. The press release also explained several of the safety measures that are in place at Castle Rock, that different things that they're doing to limit the spread of COVID and to contain and deal with the cases that they do have. Some of the things they're doing include keeping residents in their rooms and keeping those who are confirmed or suspected to have COVID-19 in their own specific wing. They're using appropriate personal protective equipment throughout the facility, monitoring and testing both staff and residents, and restricting visitors and group activities, as well as, of course, rigorous cleaning of the facilities. They also noted that any staff members who present symptoms are required to stay home. The press release said, "Independent research has found that outbreaks in nursing homes are due to high spread in the surrounding community. We need everyone to think of our residents as their grandparents in our nursing homes and assisted living communities. By wearing a mask and practice social distancing, you can help protect our seniors and their caregivers." The other important news story we had today was an update on an ongoing situation with the former Fire Chief Michael Nomis. Today he had his argued sentencing hearing before Judge Susanna Robinson, and today he was sentenced to prison for embezzling funds from the Green River Fire Department Foundation between February 4th and December 23rd of 2019. At an earlier court date that he had, Nomis admitted that he had used money that belonged to the Green River Fire Department for personal use in an amount more than $1,000. Some of the items that he mentioned buying with this money included fuel, lunches, and tools. He also admitted to wrongfully possessing and converting public property for personal use. The money he was taking, lots of it was coming from the Green River Fire Department Foundation that was established to supplement the budget that is provided to the fire department from the city. The foundation fund includes 3 separate bank accounts that are designated for different purposes, such as equipment, victim services, etc. So during his hearing today, Judge Robinson noted that a lot of the money he was stealing was money that could have gone to local families who lose their homes or possessions in a fire. She also noted how the act of taking this money was a series of small decisions that he made multiple times over an extended period of time. Today, Nomis was sentenced to 3 to 7 years in the Wyoming State Penitentiary or other correctional facility for felony theft. Nomis was also ordered to pay restitution in the amount of more than $59,000 in addition to court costs. We have more details and specifics on his hearing today. You can see that at rocketminer.com. So those are the main updates that I had from today. Thank you for listening, and keep checking back with us for more. Have a good night.